Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we have the formula in here. So I want to cancel the square root. That's why we need to have the power number 2. But this one, that is about a minus b. So we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So this one, if we simplify it, we have like this. And now we simplify s square and s square. Next, we need to divide by s on numerator and denominator. So this one we have number 1, s go inside the square root, so we have like this, that is about s square. So this one we have number 1, when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to number 0. And we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.